So I've got a new token I want to make you aware of, okay? And this is a really interesting project called Chihiro. And in in looking at this, they're doing some interesting stuff. They are layering in a DAO component into their upcoming gaming universe. So that's an interesting new twist, and we're going to look at that and kind of get into that. One of the cool things is that this is available on the Ethereum network and on the Polygon Matic network. Okay, so it's on both sides of that proverbial street. Want to give you full disclosure up front. This is a sponsored video from Chihiro. They are a great project that came to me and said, "Hey, we would like to be spotlighted on your channel," and so they have sponsored this video. All right, so you can see this actually streaming at the top here. It says website temporarily updated to avoid confusion with the logo rebrand. Expect revamp website coming soon in Q1 2022. So again, right there they had a they're doing a rebrand scenario to avoid any logo issues and things of that nature. So there you go. We'll deal with that right up front. So right here, right now, I like that this is pretty cool. This is something you don't see a lot of. It shows you holder count right here, but it also shows you a percentage burned. Okay, so this is the percentage burned of the allocation. So there you go, right there. Total circulating supply and the current market cap. We are going to look at the DEX tools here in just a minute. And we will take a look at that. So this is kind of a beginning example of their gameplay. They've got a game coming out, a game franchise coming out called Portal of Destiny. Okay, but this paragraph here, I really want to look at this and unpack this because this is a really interesting scenario. Let me roll it up so make sure you guys can see it. So they are building a DAO. Combining the best of blockchain within their GameFi ecosystem. They're going to combine an NFT marketplace, staking, and GameFi launchpad with an integrated approach to incentivized game play. Okay, they're building again this game franchise called Portal of Destiny, and are leveraging partnerships, VR tech, and eventually moving our game franchise onto our own unique metaverse called Chihiroverse. All right there. If I can get it's not highlighting, but you get what I'm doing. So this is an example of the gameplay that they are looking, obviously, to what it's going to look like. What I kind of noticed is very good graphics. Okay, a lot of detail, and it's going to be cool to see this evolve and see it kind of continue to see how they continue to show us and have what the actual gameplay looks like. Okay, so again, there's here's your tokenomics: 1% redistribution, 2% liquidity, 5% marketing. Here's the thing: I always want to applaud a project that has a marketing budget, because without marketing, nobody would know about, for example, Chihiro. Nobody would know about it. There's over 17,000 plus tokens and projects, crypto tokens out there. If you didn't know that. Insanely huge number. By the way, they're investing in development, continued development. Okay, so that's their tokenomics. Burning mechanism. Additionally, 13% of the 1% redistribution tax gets burned with every transaction. Okay, so there you have a built-in burn mechanism. So there you go. We're going to look at their roadmap a little bit more in their white paper here in just a minute. I'm going to dig a little bit deeper into that. All right. Here's how to buy. Okay, so you can get that appropriately there. They are on Hotbit right there. So if you want to check them out there, do it. All right. I'm going to quickly show you their chart. One thing I liked about their chart when I looked at it and we kind of started really digging into it is and by the way, they came out on October 30th, 2021, so haven't been around too long. But what I like is, again, you see the usual initial spike. That happens, and then you see the usual candle down, and then they consolidated here a little bit, and we've dropped down. I firmly believe that a lot of this was kind of market conditions. There was back around, November and kind of into December was fairly rough from an overall crypto market standpoint, but Chihiro really weathered that storm and established a pattern that really was, let's call it from, say, the end of November 30th all the way through pretty much to, say, the 8th of January or so. This really sideways pattern was a consolidation pattern. And consolidation really means, again, you kind of have that where there wasn't a lot of going on. it was building support. It was building support kind of for the next phase. And so you see that right here. It kicked off 8th of January. We have a nice run up that happened over a period of about 6 or 7 days. I love that it was a multi-day move up. Had a little bit of sell-off. Doesn't surprise me. You're going to always have some profit taking when you kind of consolidate like this. You move up, you're going to have a little bit of profit taking. But what I see here is that it's starting to present yet another consolidation phase. Okay, so if you kind of look at, say, from right in here, say the 22nd of January, it's starting to all the way up to right now. It's consolidating sideways, building that consolidation, building that consensus, building that support for what? The next move up. Okay, that's what I like. I love this chart action from that standpoint. Holders, we already kind of knew. Actually, their website, I think, had a little bit lower number. It's at 6,221. Market cap, 6.4 million. Good liquidity ratio, in contrast to the overall market cap. And daily volume, not a ton, 33,000. It's a very, very small cap, but I think that it's going to continue to kind of get more traction and kind of more, you'll start to see even more coming out about them. Okay, so I want to jump back over to their roadmap and talk about kind of what some things that I liked that jumped out at me when I was reading through this. So phase one, they're basically they're kind of getting their marketing channels up and running. All right, that's cool. All right, I get that. Phase two was where they start to introduce their DAO component. As the community trust is established, we will introduce our DAO. Okay, but I like this, ensuring that the community has a vote in the governance of the project. We will launch the platform to contain all the creative and innovative ideas from the community. To ensure that this is done in the best interest of Chihiro token holders, there will be certain measures to prevent a harmful concept or proposal. After careful selection process, we will work our best to deliver and execute the concept. All right. This will incentivize diamond hand holders given the utility and future utility of the token. So phase three is post DAO. After the DAO is formed and consistent input proposal from the community, we will launch NFT collection. So they have an NFT collection coming, post DAO. Okay, obviously that's in line with the roadmap. The NFT is part of their roadmap. Okay, and then by the way, and the NFTs will have unique attributes to be used in their game. Okay, the game is play to earn. All right, we know that that's coming, so that's pretty cool. Will reward players, etc. Okay, so phase four is they will enable holders to gain allocations from official projects. Chiro swap decks will be launched to deliver value for the tokens. And by the way, they're going to expand to multi-chains with a huge, such as BSC, Matic, Avalanche, Phantom, etc. And then this is kind of looking downstream that they're going to do some other things in phase five. Take a look at their Twitter page as well. Okay, what I like on their Twitter page is they've actually got a link tree here. So if you want to link out to everything, which is a lot, you can get this off of the Twitter. By the way, I'll drop links to all this in the description below. So there you go. I will do that for you. But here's everything, even their contract addresses on their respective, or on the respective networks. You can see that off of their Twitter page, so that's pretty cool. About 6,755 holders, followers. I apologize, including myself. But they've got a lot of. There's a teaser right here. They've got a lot of tweets out here. They're pretty active. 785 tweets. That's a lot. Very active Twitter page. A way to really kind of. Keep up to date, and they're doing a really good job of staying in touch with their communities. They have a very active communities as well. So this is one that, definitely check it out and see if it fits within kind of your, what you're looking for. It is a really nice small cap that has a little bit of a track record of showing some really good consolidation, building support from the price action of the token standpoint. Again, check it out and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. But this is one that I think I'll continue to talk about occasionally on the channel, just to kind of let you guys know. And if I see something cool that they're doing, we will continue the dialogue. Have a good one. Take it easy. Go make some money. See ya.